Hello beauties, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make use of apple cider vinegar and lemon to get the full benefit of it in the morning. How you can prepare the simple detox drink using these two ingredients. So many people underestimate the power of apple cider vinegar. And yeah, this is the apple cider vinegar I'm talking about, the one with the mother. So if you don't have this one, go get yourself one as soon as possible. And then lemon, on the other hand, has a whole lot of benefits that you don't want your body to be missing at this point. So if you are interested in this video, please continue watching because I'm going to be breaking it down as we proceed in the video. But if you are new, you are just stopping by, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and share this video with your friends. Please, whether you are new or not, share this video with your friends, give it a thumbs up, and then don't forget to follow me on my socials. I also share vlog videos on my vlog channel. The link is in the description box to check that out as well. So let's quickly proceed to how you can make this detox drink. If you are someone that is interested in taking care of your body the right way, and you know you should be taking care of your body once you are in your 20s, you need to take care of your body very, very well, because this time no other person is going to take care of it than you. So let's quickly get right into the video. In case you don't know what apple cider vinegar is, this is the apple cider vinegar, and this is black, organic, raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. So the idea of using this apple cider vinegar is because it contains the mother, okay? And because it contains the mother, it is very, very okay for you to see the apple cider vinegar being this cloudy or settling at the bottom. So why mine is cloudy like this and there's nothing at the bottom is because I actually shook it before showing it to you in this video. The mother that is present in this apple cider vinegar contains good bacteria that is good for the gut. It also contains vitamins, minerals, and enzymes. So that is why it is very, very good when it is used in the morning as a detox drink. And then aside these vitamins and minerals, these are some of the other benefits you are going to get from making use of this apple cider vinegar or from drinking this apple cider vinegar drink in the morning. This is going to help give your body a good dose of enzyme. It's also going to help increase your potassium intake. It supports a healthy immune system. It also helps with weight control. Okay, you can see all the goodness that comes with this apple cider vinegar. It helps promote the pH balance of the body, and it also aids with healthy digestion. It adds the good bacteria for the gut, and it also has an immune function. It helps to remove toxins from the body, and it is very soothing on the skin and helps keeps the skin healthy. You know that even when you drink apple cider vinegar, it soothes the skin. It helps get rid of itchiness on the skin or even rashes, and it also has this healing effect on acne. So if you have acne, using it externally is going to help dry it up. There are so many benefits of apple cider vinegar, and using it for this drink is very, very important. The next thing we'll be using here is lemon, and the importance and benefits of lemons cannot be overemphasized. Lemon is that holy grail ingredient that you need for your skin. You need to also ingest it all because it has so many benefits, and it's taking it in the morning, first thing in the morning, also helps to boost the immune system. Lemon here helps to promote hydration. It is a very good source of vitamin C. It also helps to support weight loss. It improves your skin quality. It aids in digestion. It freshens the breath, and it also helps prevent kidney stones. So these are not the only benefits that you can get from lemon. There are a whole lot of benefits, but these are some of the few I'm highlighting here. And then this is half of a lemon. This is a fresh lemon. You can see this ripe fresh lemon, and here is my store-bought lemon juice. It is always preferable to go for the fresh lemon, but if you can't get your hands on the fresh lemon, then you go for the lemon juice, like the store-bought lemon juice. This also works well, and it has the benefits that I just mentioned to you also. So for this remedy, I'm going to be using this half that I used earlier, and I'm just going to dive into showing you how to prepare this simple early morning detox. First of all, you are going to need a glass cup like this, or just any cup will be fine. And I'm going to take 2 teaspoons of this lemon juice. That is 2 teaspoons of lemon juice into my cup. The next thing I'll be adding is the apple cider vinegar, and don't forget to shake your apple cider vinegar before using it. And mind you, using the apple cider vinegar with the mother is always preferable. And for the apple cider vinegar, I'll be using 4 teaspoons. That is my apple cider vinegar and lemon in there. The next thing I'm going to do is get some warm water, and I'll just pour that into the cup. And your detox apple cider vinegar and lemon detox drink is ready. Go ahead and drink this all up first thing in the morning if you want to get the full benefit of it. You can also drink this at night. Some people even prefer to take it 3 times a day. That is taking it in the morning, afternoon and evening. So go ahead and do this. You can do this every day for as long as you want. It doesn't have any side effect. Instead, it's going to help you clear out your early morning bowels, which is going to help keep your tummy free from toxins and excess waste. Okay? Come join me. So that's just the easy way to prepare your apple cider vinegar and lemon water detox drink. As you can see, this drink is Very, very simple to make. You can make it once you wake up in the morning, drink it up, give yourself 2 to 3 hours, or at least 1 hour before breakfast, and watch what is going to happen. This is not something that you are going to take for maybe 3 days or 1 week. Just continue taking it for as long as you can, so you can get all the full benefits I highlighted in this video. Thank you for watching up to this time. Please share this video with your friends if you found it helpful. Give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to follow me on my socials. The link is on the screen and in the description box. And don't forget to watch my vlog videos. I'm going to leave the link in the description box as well. It's Eti and Mark, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.